Hey guys, so this is for Jaguar Health. Okay, so actually, for those of you who are asking me now, I'm not really panicking on this. Okay, so let me just show you how I would perceive the market and why I would hold this. Okay, this is in my opinion. Okay, and this video is purely for education only. So now you can see here there's an impulse, and then there's a falling wedge here or a very large pennant, right? But more likely to be a falling wedge. So falling wedge pattern, we are actually looking for something like that. Okay, it's consolidating and it's pulling back. Sorry, it's actually this one here. Let me just draw it nicely. It's actually this part here and this one, because this what I'm drawing here is the pivot points and the next high position. But anyway, here's what we have. Okay, so you can see the market squeeze, right? It did this, okay, and then it broke out, right? So naturally, more often than not, there's after a breakout there will be a pullback, okay, and then a impulse up again. Okay, sometimes it will test to the trend line. More often than not, it will test to the trend line. However, it depends on whether or not the market has done any impulsive movement. Okay, so this is an impulsive movement, right? This is an impulsive movement. Then we pull back again to 0.786. Now you can see here, if I do a 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, we did sit on 0.786 before pushing up, right? So with the same theory, we put the Fibonacci retracement down here, we did a pullback, we are sitting on a 0.786, which is also on the key level down here. On the current market level is on the key level. You can see previous support here acted as a resistance. When market break out from resistance, this becomes a support, right? So we are looking for the next impulse up very soon. I am expecting in the next 2 months. It could go a bit lower, but and test even a trend line. But naturally for me, I would hold this all the way up to at least $2.70. Now I am not expecting the market to fall all the way here. Actually, in my perspective, I would see the market going back up. We have a repeated pattern here. This is an impulse, this is a pullback, then this is an impulse again. Then there's a small impulse here, there's a pullback, and then there's an impulse here. So 100% here, 100% up. Okay, so our take profit level, our first safe take profit level will be somewhere around the $2.55 range. Alright, now this is conservative. If you want to go higher than that, which is my target price, I would be targeting $5.45. Okay, another secondary safe take profit after the $2.55 range is the $4.15 range, which is actually on key levels down here. Previous support level, turn resistance here, and now resistance here, right? But more likely than not, what the market will do is after going up here, doing this, it should reject down to this point here or even down here, then go back up one more time. I would be expecting the market to probably reject, push up from here instead of all the way back here, but it could actually test back to this level. Okay, so this is generally the outlook for Jaguar Health. Okay, should any of you have any questions on this, again, if you have already bought in positions, I think my entry was somewhere here. Okay, but those that bought in maybe in between here, it is fine, do not panic. We are in good hands for a long run. Okay, but there might be some downsides here and there. This is stocks. Okay, it takes a while for the market to move, but normally unless we're doing very short-term trading, this is actually quite lucrative because the buying price is about $91, okay, or $1.10. It goes up to say $2, you get about about 2 times the account size, right? If you buy in here, you get about 80%, 60% profits. Okay, so just hold up for a little bit more. We will be seeing green soon. Okay,